my friend. Welcome back to Speak Easy English. I am David. Today, we're going to talk about something very interesting. We're going to talk about a day without a phone. In this lesson, we will hear a story about a girl named Anna. Anna tries a no phone challenge. I will speak slowly. I will speak clearly. You can listen and then repeat the words with me. Are you ready for a quiet, relaxing story? Let's begin. Alex is 22 years old. He lives in a small apartment in the city. He has a job, he has friends, and he has a phone. His phone is very important to him. Every morning, Alex wakes up, but before he opens his eyes, he reaches for his phone. He touches the screen. He checks the time. He looks at his messages. He looks at the news. He does this every single day. His phone is the first thing he sees in the morning. Then, Alex eats breakfast. But he does not just eat. He looks at his phone while he eats. He watches videos. He scrolls through pictures. He reads comments. His food gets cold, but he does not notice. Alex goes to work. On the bus, he looks at his phone. He does not look outside the window. He does not look at other people. He looks down at the small screen. During work, he checks his phone many times, even when he should be working, even when his boss is talking. Alex cannot stop looking at his phone. At night, Alex goes to bed, but he does not sleep. He looks at his phone in the dark. The blue light shines on his face. He watches more videos. He reads more messages. He falls asleep very late. And then the same thing happens again the next day. One morning, something different happens. Alex wakes up. He reaches for his phone, but the screen is black. He presses the button. Nothing. He presses again. Nothing. He tries to turn it on. Nothing happens. The phone is dead. Completely dead. Alex feels scared. He feels lost. He says, no, no, no. This cannot be happening. He tries to charge his phone. He puts the charger in. He waits. Nothing. The phone is broken. It will not turn on. Alex does not know what to do. He feels angry. He feels worried. He thinks, what if someone needs to call me? What if I miss something important? He walks around his room. He feels nervous. His hand keeps reaching for his phone, but the phone is not there. Alex gets ready for the day. He washes his face. He brushes his teeth. He eats breakfast. But this time, there is no phone. He looks at the table. He looks at the empty space where his phone usually sits. He feels strange. His hand feels empty. He goes outside. He walks to the bus stop. Usually, he looks at his phone while he waits. But today, he has nothing to do. So he looks around. He sees a bird sitting on a tree. The bird is small and brown. It sings a song. Alex listens. He has never noticed that bird before. It was always there, but he never saw it because he was always looking at his phone. The bus arrives. Alex gets on. He sits by the window. Usually, he looks at his phone, but today he looks outside. He sees the buildings. He sees the shops. He sees a mother walking with her child. He sees an old man sitting on a bench. The world looks different when you are not looking at a screen. At work, Alex feels strange. During his break, he usually looks at his phone, but today he does not know what to do. He sits at his desk. He looks around. His co-worker, Emma, is eating an apple. Alex says, "Hello, Emma." Emma looks surprised. Alex does not usually talk to her. She says, "Hello, Alex. How are you?" Alex says, "I am okay. My phone is broken. I have nothing to do." Emma laughs. She says, "That is not a problem. Let's talk." So Alex and Emma talk. They talk about work. They talk about movies. They talk about their families. Alex learns that Emma has a dog. He learns that Emma likes to cook. He learns that Emma is a kind person. They have worked together for 1 year. But Alex never really talked to her. He was always on his phone. At lunch, Alex eats alone, but he does not look at a phone. He looks at his food. He tastes his food. The sandwich is good. The bread is soft. The cheese is salty. He never really tasted his food before. He was always watching videos while eating. After work, Alex walks home. He does not take the bus. He decides to walk. He walks slowly. He looks at the sky. The sky is orange and pink. The sun is going down. It is beautiful. Alex stops. He watches the sunset. He feels calm. He feels peaceful. He did not know the sunset was so beautiful. He never looked up before. At home, Alex makes dinner. He cooks simple food, rice and vegetables. He eats slowly. He thinks about his day. He talked to Emma. He saw a bird. He watched the sunset. He tasted his food. He did many things, and none of them needed a phone. That night, Alex goes to bed. He does not look at a phone. He lies in bed. He thinks. He realizes something important. His phone is not bad. Phones are useful. They help us do many things. But too much phone is not good. When you look at your phone all the time, you miss the real world. You miss the birds. You miss the sunset. You miss talking to people. You miss your own life. Alex decides to change. He will still use his phone, but not all the time. He will put his phone away during meals. He will look outside the bus window. He will talk to people. He will watch the sunset. He will live his life, not just watch it on a small screen. The next day, Alex gets his phone fixed. It works again, but he does not look at it first thing in the morning. He opens his eyes. He looks at the ceiling. He listens to the birds outside. Then, after a few minutes, he checks his phone. He feels better. He feels free. Alex learned something important. A day without a phone is not a punishment. It is a gift. It gives you back your time. It gives you back your attention. It gives you back your life. Now let's practice speaking. I will say a short sentence. You will repeat the sentence. There will be a pause. Use the pause to speak. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Do not rush. Remember, it is okay to make mistakes. Just try your best. Ready? Let us begin. Alex has a phone. He looks at his phone every morning. He looks at his phone while eating. He looks at his phone on the bus. He looks at his phone before sleep. One morning, his phone is dead. The phone will not turn on. Alex feels lost and nervous. He goes outside without his phone. He sees a bird on a tree. On the bus, he looks outside. At work, he talks to his co-worker Emma. Alex learns new things about Emma. At lunch, he tastes his food. After work, he watches the sunset. That night, he does not look at a phone. He thinks about his day. He realizes something important. Too much phone makes you miss real life. Alex decides to change. He will use his phone less. A day without a phone is a gift. Excellent. You did a wonderful job. Your speaking is getting stronger. I am proud of you. Now, I will tell you the key parts of the story again. But this time, I will speak a little faster. Not very fast, just more natural. Do not repeat. Just listen. Listen to how the words flow together. Listen to the rhythm. This will help your ear understand real English. Here we go. Alex uses his phone all the time. Morning, breakfast, bus, work, and night. He cannot stop looking at the small screen. Then one morning, his phone breaks. It will not turn on. Alex feels lost and nervous. He goes outside without his phone. He sees a bird on a tree. He never noticed that bird before. On the bus, he looks outside and sees the world. At work, he talks to his coworker Emma. He learns that she has a dog and she likes to cook. At lunch, he tastes his food for the first time. After work, he watches the sunset. The sky is orange and pink. He feels calm. That night, he realizes something important. Too much phone makes you miss real life. Alex decides to change. He will use his phone less. He will look at the world more. A day without a phone is not a punishment. It is a gift. Did you hear the difference? The words are the same, but the speed is a little faster. That is how native speakers talk. Do not worry if you did not catch every word. Listen again. Play this part 2 or 3 times. Your ears will learn. You did a great job today. Listening is the first step to speaking. You are training your ears and your brain. Do you think you can spend a day without your phone? Maybe just for 1 hour? Try it. It is a good way to relax. Thank you for watching Speak Easy English with me. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video. It helps me a lot. Share this video with someone who wants to learn English. And please subscribe to our channel. We make new stories every week just for you. Tell me in the comments, could you live without your phone for 24 hours? Yes or no? I want to know. Keep practicing. Keep learning. I will see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.